SecurityInfoWatch.com with Kwikset, and we're talking about the Aura with Colleen. Tell us more.
Hi, yes, this is the Aura Reach, our newest smart lock from Kwikset. It's Bluetooth and Matter enabled, so it can be compatible with any smart home platform that users prefer, Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, or Samsung SmartThings. We're really excited about the reasonable price point for the consumer, sub $200 at $189, and it's a very feature-rich lock for this price point. It has a prox wake up that will wake up the screen automatically when you are approaching it. It has tactile button press feedback so that you know that you're entering that code in correctly should you choose to use a code to unlock it. And like all of our smart locks, it has smart key technology and innovation by Kwikset so that you can, as a backup method, have your keys, all of your locks keyed to the same key in your home very easily in less than 30 seconds. So we think this is an extremely great new consumer DIY installation option for electronic lock users.
Awesome. When's it available?
It's available now.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much, Colleen.
Thank you.